All right, I'm back at this original, and this is not the original Fisker. This is the second Revero, but this is the only original Fisker repair center on the West Coast, and the other one is in Pennsylvania. So there's only two of them, and this is one of them. Then the Fisker Revero, the other one is in Southern California and LA, where the main distributor and parts distributor and sales are in LA. This is San Francisco. So this is the only Fisker, or they can't call it Fisker anymore, but the Karma Revero. Just got 100% confirmation that the Fisker Ocean will be serviced at this location in San Francisco at Pat's Garage. One of the technicians just was sent off, even though the company, went bankrupt, closed down. The small group in a small subsection of training and parts and everything like that. One of the technicians went for their scan tool and going over the car. So the Fisker Ocean will be coming to this location, and this will be one of the only places, a few out of the whole entire country, that will be servicing the Fisker Ocean. So you'll be seeing me make videos doing air conditioning on the Fisker Ocean coming soon. See you guys. It's good to be in the right place at the right time in a niche market. Nowhere else to go.